So this is going to be an absolutely amazing option for somebody that is doing a lot of filming, like me, filming a lot of action shots, and you don't want to wait to plug each and every one in here, especially if you have a big shoot the next day or something that you want to film the next day and you want to have 3 charged. How are you going to charge all 3 during the night? You would have to set an alarm, wake up in the middle of the night, swap your batteries, and guys, I've done that before. But gone are the days, and now we have a nice portable system here. Today I'm going to be reviewing something that is a necessity if you're a GoPro owner of a 9, 10, 11, or 12. Let's get into it. All right guys, so I want to first start off by saying the GoPro regular battery setup is absolutely terrible, and the way that you have to charge this with it plugged inside here is just a horrible setup. If you guys film a lot on your GoPro, you know that the GoPro batteries may die rather quick, but you always have to have your battery in your camera. So if you're filming with 3 different batteries, you have to plug it in, charge it, take this one out, and you constantly have to wait until this one's charged in order to do that. Today, we're gonna be taking care of that. So we have the First Power. This is gonna be the 3-pack, and I am so excited to actually get into this, guys. I have been wanting one of these for a while, as each battery comes in a case, comes fully protected. This packaging is already pretty nice. There's 3, and then this unit right here is what I'm most excited about. Absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and take these out. So when you first get this, guys, you are gonna have these little clips right here. So if you can see these clips right here, guys, this is actually gonna be a little adapter if you have a GoPro 5, 6, 7, or 8. So you do need to use these if you have a 5, 6, 7, or 8. You put the battery inside and you're able to insert it in here, and you still are gonna be able to charge that, guys. So this still works with the 5, 6, 7, and 8, but I'm not gonna need these, so I'm gonna put them off to the side. Okay, now right here, we're gonna have a Type-C port. This looks like to be about 2 feet long, so that's gonna be pretty nice. And right here, we're gonna have this awesome port. This thing is really, really cool. All right, so we're gonna be able to put each one of these batteries right inside here, and they just go in like that. Very easy, and we're gonna have a nice like magnetic lid on here. So we are gonna be able to charge all 3 of these at the same time. Type-C port is gonna be in the back, and then I just need a little adapter so I can plug in this USB. Okay, so after I just found that adapter, I'm just gonna plug in the USB right there. We're gonna charge this. We have this all set up and ready to go. So what I like about this is each one of these little slots is going to represent which GoPro battery is charging and which level it's at. So we have 3 red right here, but if this GoPro all the way over here on this side is fully charged, just this LED is gonna light up with green. So you're gonna know that this one is good to go. So you don't have to guess. You don't have to put it into your GoPro and turn it on and see which one has the battery life, guys. You're gonna be able to see right here all the way through. This will light up green on which one is ready to go, and you can grab it, stick it in your GoPro, and start filming and having a good time capturing all your adventures. So I really love that. One other thing, guys, we actually have a bonus. So I'm gonna take all these out real quick. We actually have a bonus section right here. If you can see, we have 2 little slots right here and right here. And both of those are actually gonna hold an SD card. So that's gonna be really handy when you're filming on your GoPro. Usually you're filming in a 4K, so you could go through your SD cards pretty quick. So to be able to have a nice backup, because they're pretty easy to lose. If you have a nice backup right here, you're gonna know exactly where it's at. All right, so whenever everything is all fully charged, which mine are not yet because they're not in here, that'll light up green. So that is what that's gonna look like. Now I have my mini little SD. That is gonna go in either way, guys. You can put it in like this, and it kind of like pinches it a little bit, so it's not coming out, okay? You can flip it around the other way. You guys will be able to see this a little bit better if I put it in like that. And as you can see, I am going upside down with that, and that is staying in because it locks in place. Now it's really nice because if I need an extra SD, it is ready to go for me right there, guys. And that fits in perfectly. So I could put the battery in here. The SD card is still gonna be safe right in the back there behind it. I do think I'd have to remove the battery in order to get to the SD card, but that is really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead, throw one of these inside, see how this works. So right here, I have the regular GoPro battery. This comes with the actual GoPro. You can see the logos on that one. This is gonna be the new one, so we just wanna make sure we're putting it in the right way. Right inside. Go ahead and turn it on, see what battery life I'm at. I don't have the SD card in there right now. But you can see, guys, works great, works absolutely perfect, just like a regular GoPro battery. And we can just go ahead, turn that off. And then you have the regular little pull tab that a GoPro is gonna have. Pull it right out and you're good to go. And if you guys are wondering, the regular GoPro batteries do fit in here perfectly. So as you can see, that is charging now. So you're gonna be able to have more options. You'll be able to have these 3 plus however many GoPros you have. So maybe you can have 4 or 5 for a shoot. So you could still use these same ones and it just gives you more opportunity and versatility with this kit. This is really sleek, rounded edges. This is gonna be a nice high quality plastic material. I love that it comes with the USB, easy open, easy close. You could throw this in your camera bag. You could throw this in your pocket. It's very slim. It's like the size of a wallet, smaller than a phone. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna be using this all the time and I'm so happy that I have one. I highly recommend this. If you guys are looking for a new GoPro battery, you might as well get the one that has the charging capability with the 3-pack. This thing's amazing. Add it to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.